Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to be unboxing my second PR package for Born Pretty. And without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the very first thing that I pulled out of my package is this beautiful gel brush, and it is number 2. And it's really the perfect size for nail art mainly. You can use it to build gel, but you would struggle a bit as it's small. The second thing that I got out of the package is a gel polish, and it comes as this beautiful black packaging. And you saw a little pic of the color first. It is so cute. It is BP41 shade, and look at this little coffin shaped nail in the front showing you the color. That's so cute. And it is this beautiful dark lilac color. After that, I picked yet another gel polish from the packaging, and in this instance it's their super top coat, and I've been using this for some time now, since my last package, and I have to say that it's really good, and it really doesn't scratch as easily as other top coats I've used, so I was really happy to get another one. Following that, I got yet another gel polish color, and it is this beautiful color, and it's called Ocean Blue, as you will see right now. And it has a little dot in the front to show you the color, and here you can see it's like this beautiful sky ocean blue kind of color. The next thing coming out of the package is one more gel polish that they were so kind to send me, and it is from their Pro collection, and I really like the packaging of these ones. It looks so professional, and the matte black packaging is just so pretty, and you can see that this color is so up my alley. I love this pink so much, and I think this was actually my favorite color out of everything that they sent me today. And last but not least, I also picked out this little pot, and at first I thought it might be another reflective magnetic glitter gel, but it turned out being a sequin gel, and it's so gorgeous. So I am super excited for everything that I receive. A big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me all these products. And now we're gonna jump straight into the nail art. So as you guys saw in my thumbnail, we are going to be doing shorties today, and I have made it a goal of mine to make quite a few videos on cute nail art for shorter nails, because I know that a lot of you love watching long nail art videos, and nail art looks, in my opinion, so much better on long nails because you have a bigger surface to work with. But it's also very important to show nail art for short nails, for younger girls, and for anyone else that wants to get their nails done but keep them short for work and still keep them stylish. So as you can see here, I took the ocean blue color, and I'm painting triangles randomly on each nail. I'm not really, planning where I'm going to put each one. And after curing that in the lamp, I'm going to take my second color, the pink one that I really liked, and I'm going to continue with a similar pattern, just painting like triangles all over the nail. And if you're a Pokemon fan, this might remind you a bit of Togepi, and I got a bit of inspiration from that. The point of this manicure is to show you that you can still add nail art even to short nails, and as you can see, I have a very small nail bed, so that makes nail art even more difficult at times, but I love being creative and finding ways to make nail art very accessible for everyone. So if you enjoy watching me do nail art on shorter nails, please let me know, and I will make sure to do at least one video every month or every other month, so I can cater to everyone's preferences. And as you can see now in the video, I am adding more designs with my purple color, and these are not exactly triangles. After all of the nails have been cured, I'm going to take my favorite Vanillisa color matte gel in black and a very thin detailer brush, and I'm going to start outlining the shapes as best as I can. As you can see, the outlines are not perfect. In no way are they perfect, and since I am working with such a short nail, it's not very easy to make longer strikes or make the lines perfect, and that's okay. Like, nail art is not supposed to look perfect. It's a painting, it's handmade, hand drawn, and I think it gives you a different element. Even if you make a mistake in your eyes, it's still going to look beautiful. And yeah, with the same black color, I'm also going to be adding a few stripes downwards onto the blue color, just to add a little bit of a different design and give it some character. And lastly, I am going to take that beautiful sequin gel that they sent me with the number 2 brush, and I'm going to add a small layer of that on top of the pink color to make it sparkle and add something, fun to this nail art look. As always, when there's glitter, I am super happy, so I just had to add this beautiful sequin gel. And I am super pleased by this product. In general, I was very surprised to see how pigmented their colors are. You see that all of the colors that I use now are just one coat. I did not second coat these polishes, and just with one coat they look this pigmented, so I was super excited and happy to see that such an affordable brand has such good quality products. After curing all of the nails in the lamp for 30 seconds, I'm gonna go in with my super top coat, and I'm going to apply a pretty thin layer of this to all of the nails. This is a pretty liquid top coat, so you have to be careful of it not to run into your cuticles. It did run in a couple nails for me, but that's okay. It's going to grow out, and I'm changing designs so frequently that it doesn't matter. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil, and here we're going to see all of the products that they sent me once again. You can find links in the description for all of these products, and here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really feel blessed to receive products like that and test them on camera with you, and I really hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. And please let me know if you would like me to make more videos for shorter nail art. I really enjoy doing these, and they're a lot more practical than longer nails for a lot of people. As always, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye!